Hi, my name is Lauren Fields. I'm an attorney on the domestic litigation team at Roth Davies, LLC. Today I'm going to answer some common questions asked to attorneys in divorce cases. Is spousal maintenance or alimony guaranteed in my case? The answer is no. The judge first takes into consideration the assets and debts before deciding whether their spousal maintenance should be awarded. Spousal maintenance is heavily dependent on the need of the party and the ability to pay by the payor. So if you haven't worked for a bit of time, you might be more entitled to spousal maintenance. However, if before deciding to be a homemaker, you are earning 6 figures at a job and you still have those skills, the court might take that into consideration as well. Ask a family law attorney whether spousal maintenance is possible in your case.